Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Hello my friends, it's Angie World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you remove wrinkles and fine lines with parsley, and you want to get rid of it and you want to look like 20 years old skin. This magical remedy is for you. It will get you rid of wrinkles and fine lines naturally without causing any side effects. Literally overnight, guys, you will notice a great results in your skin and you will improve your skin elasticity. So if you do have sagging skin, this also will get you an amazing results. It gets the skin firm and it's without botox or filler, and it's super effective yet with very simple ingredients. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy, you will be notified to watch it, and you will get so many useful beauty tips from me. So make sure to subscribe. The first ingredient we need to prepare this magical remedy, my friends, is parsley leaves. And here I have the parsley leaves dried. So if you don't have parsley leaves dried, you can get the fresh parsley leaves. We need around 1 teaspoon of parsley leaves. Now my friends, we need to add on it a magical ingredient, which is 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. And here I'm using the market aloe vera gel. You can use natural aloe vera gel instead. Add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Then my friends, we need to add on it 1 capsule of vitamin E, and here I'm using 1000 milligrams vitamin E. You can add any vitamin E available for you. Vitamin E rejuvenate the skin and will get you rid of wrinkles and fine lines naturally. Cut the capsule like so with a pair of scissors and add the vitamin E. Then my friends, we need to add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline, and Vaseline is super effective in getting rid of wrinkles and fine lines naturally, and you will notice a great results overnight, my friends. Now we need to mix well all the ingredients until they combine and get very well mixed together. For around 48 hours, around 2 days, to soak in and to get all the benefits of parsley. And then my friends, in the next day, use it on your skin like so. Apply it on your skin. Apply generous amount on your skin like so. Leave it like that for 15 minutes, and then wipe off the excess with a tissue paper. Don't wash it, and go to sleep. In the next morning you will be amazed with the result. It is super effective in getting rid of wrinkles and fine lines, and you will notice that your skin is getting more firm.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.